back to my channel. This is your girl Fifi and the crew.
Yes,
Today we are here.
It's an animal.
You seeing animals?
Yes.
Today we are here at the Red River National Wildlife Center. It's very nice today outside, and the center is nice. So let's go ahead and take y'all along with us. It's beautiful out here. It's more like a nature thing, and the kids are already acting scared of the bees.
I'm not acting scared.
Y'all need to be outside more.
Look at that, Mom. What is this?
So let me see.
Mama, what is this?
Why is a bald cypress tree bald?
Ooh, look at that.
A bald cypress wood is durable, lightweight, and rot resistant. It is used for fence posts, flooring, barrier bridges, shingles, and in the building construction.
Come on, Mom.
The Red River
Oh, look at that turtle.
National Wildlife.
Look at that.
You better come inside. There's a lot of great things inside. Let's go inside.
Hey, this right here closed.
It's closed.
Yeah. Visitor center.
Oh my God. It's what time it closed? Oh, 8 to 4. So we need to get here a little bit earlier. Next time we'll go inside. But it's a nice learning center place though. But we'll take y'all inside. This sucks. And it's so nice and pretty out here. The bird feeders. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, there you go. Got walking trails that can go all the way around this lake, well, pond, or whatever you want to call it. Red River. So the lake. The walking trails we've been on before. It was a long, long way.
There's fish in there. I don't know.
It is so peaceful out here. That's my brother, y'all, TD.
Wow. I see the wall.
We out there getting this guy live.
Stick his head out.
You see, Audrey?
No. It's right
Dude,
there.
it's right there in the water.
Which way? Oh, it's the other way. Right there. Ow.
Look right there.
It's a turtle.
You see the shell?
It's a turtle. I really have to. Halloween dragonfly. Ooh, dragonflies. Oh, look at this.
Dragonfly damsel of the refuge.
There's a pink one.
They,
And a blue one.
they come in different shapes
Come on, DJ.
and colors.
Whoa. It got babies. One time I read a book about alligators for short babies.
American alligators. That the woodpecker.
It was on that movie.
On what movie?
It was on that movie with the man.
A hunter tried to get him, and then they tried to shoot him. And he said, I give up. And then he flied up, and they shoot each other, and they fall.
Mammals of the forest in the field.
Fox squirrel.
Got the fox squirrel, the red fox, the bobcat, the armadillo, white-tailed deer, and what? Rabbit and raccoon.
There's butterflies in here.
Oh, I love butterflies. Look at the butterflies, Tinka. Can you spot the difference? The monarch, the pearl crescent, the American lady. Which one y'all like?
Ooh,
I like American lady.
I like the monarch.
Let's go.
The baby just.
I would like to say congrats to Jonay Loves. She had her baby boy today, y'all. So congratulations.
Congratulations.
Mom, I see a dragonfly.
No, Gina, no, you
A
haven't.
dragonfly.
My brother got us walking on this stupid trail. And he's scared because you saw what?
A bee.
Those are some of the wonderful things that they have done so far at the wildlife refuge. But yeah, see them people helping. Terrence lied and said that this trail ain't that long. We still walking.
Look, there's an airplane. I never seen that color.
Oh, I like that.
Olivia tired. She don't want to walk no more.
You should have been in the stroller.
A people trying to fight.
Oh yeah, you should bring a bite. When we gonna bring a bite?
Okay, here goes a little history. Red River National Wildlife Refuge, our past. What was the property before it became a National Wildlife Refuge? And here it goes. It was the land that you are standing on used to be a cotton farm, dairy farm, and pecan orchard. The Dickinson family owned the land since the 1920s, and the family rode horses, camped, climbed trees, gardened, hunted, fished, and flourished here. That is so interesting. Way back in the day, in the 1920s.
No running, DJ.
The family boated, fished, and swam in the lake, which is named after Caroline Dickinson. Remnants of the past are still found on this refuge. Okay. Alright. It's what you see right now. I'm huffing and puffing because we've been running. I'm finna sit down on these benches and relax. You mean to tell me we could have drove down here? It's called the Lake Caroline, and I bet it's closed off. Oh wow, we can't even get over there.
No, go.
Is it overflowed or did it break?
I feel like it's broke. Now.
DJ, not go.
You had to have a permit to get on anyway.
I just stop moving.
We got a permit for fish.
We go all the way back.
It's a bench right there.
In the
I just love the nature. We walking back, y'all. We was gonna sit over here, but I got a lot of spider webs. Spider webs eat spiders. My back gonna be hurting after this.
Man, your hair look like your shoes.
Your hair gonna look like some one of those little
Man, at least I'm not wearing that hat, Twinkle Toes. So I don't know what you're talking about. I can prove it. We can go to the house right now and get some Twinkle Toes. Get the Twinkle Toes.
Aiden's weird.
I ain't scared of him.
Hey, she had
scared of
called me,
snakes,
but
bro.
she said she ain't
I
trying to
touched
talk.
What field trip y'all went on to touch a snake?
We didn't win on the field trip. We went in Miss Cassell's room and we touched a black snake.
Did you remember we saw that place when you passed the wall party and had that big globe? Yeah, that's the place I went to, and then there's a guy that have a red, black, and yellow.
Oh, can't wait to get back to my car. Is that Freddy behind us? Is that Freddy?
Freddy Krueger.
He's coming.
Light it back up, Felicia. K-side. We're going to the car.
Freddy Krueger's finna get you.
Stop lying.
And Freddy finna get you, you dream.
Freddy Krueger.
He's really coming behind us and you don't hurry up.
That boy
He's
Freddy
right behind.
gon' creep on you. They call him Freddy Krueger.
You don't know the song to it.
He's right
nice.
behind
Light
us.
it back up,
You better
Sylvester.
hurry up and run.
Light it back up, Freddy.
Sylvester.
Cougar.
It said, don't go to sleep. I'll get you in your dreams.
She's gonna get you.
And the big Oakland here.
Freddy Cougar.
He said if he sing, the bees don't come over here.
Freddy. Ah, man. Okay.
These aren't even real.
DJ don't like the bees.
DJ don't like the bees. DJ don't like the bees.
They gon' sting you in your booty.
Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, y'all. Even though we didn't get a chance to go inside, but I will do another video only once it be open. But we enjoy the outside nature. But if you're new to my channel, go ahead and like, subscribe to your girl, and feel free to share this video. And thank y'all for tuning into this video. We about to go. Say peace.
See you later. We gon' holler at you later.
Say bye.
We gon' holler at y'all later.